Hello, and welcome to the Transcript Formatting Tips screencast. This screencast will demonstrate transcript formatting techniques. First, let's open a transcript. While this transcript is adequate for getting our analysis done in most circumstances, some people find it easier to work with transcripts that are formatted a little differently, and some people simply want transcripts that look better. The change I'm going to make here is to set this transcript up so that the initial timecodes for each turn and the speaker identifiers are formatted to hang out to the left of the transcript text. I'm also going to automate the space between speaker turns rather than relying on hitting the Enter key twice each time to create space between speaker turns. First, I'll put the transcript in edit mode so that we can make changes to it. Next, I will tell Transana I want to change the paragraph formatting. We can do that by pressing the Format Speed button in the transcript toolbar and then selecting the Paragraph tab in the Format dialog, or by going to the Transcript menu and choosing Format Paragraph. I'm going to change 3 items under paragraph formatting. I'm going to change the left indent to 2 inches, and I'm going to change the first line indent to -2 inches. Then I'm going to set the space after my paragraph to 1/4 inch so I don't have to add a blank line at each paragraph. Now I'm going to the Tabs tab in the Format dialog. I'm going to delete the default tabs and replace them with tabs at 1 1/4 inches and at 2 inches. Now I'm going to press the OK button to indicate that I'm done making my formatting changes. Back in my document, I now need to insert tabs at the start of my line. One before the speaker identifier, and one after it before the transcript text. I'm now going to scroll down and delete the blank line that follows my speaker turn, as the white space I want between speakers now comes from my paragraph formatting. I'm now going to select the rest of my text and apply the same formatting. Now I'm back at the top to insert the tabs and eliminate the blank lines between paragraphs. You'll notice that I'm careful to put my first tab on each line between the timecode and the speaker identifier, and to put my second tab between the speaker identifier and the transcript text. There now, doesn't that look better? You might ask why I left such a wide space between the timecodes and the speaker identifier. Well, in my experience, the paragraph numbers in Transana provided in the left margin are not all that reliable as indicators of position within a transcript. I tinker with and improve my transcripts a lot, so the paragraph numbers change frequently. Also, these paragraph numbers can't be printed or exported, so they're just not that useful. So instead of using paragraph numbers, when I want to discuss a transcript with a colleague, I tell Transana to show the timecode values before I export or print the transcript by pushing this button in the transcript toolbar. As you can see, the timecode values fit perfectly in the 1 1/4 inch space I left. That way, my colleague and I can refer to lines in the transcript by their timecode position, which will never change no matter how much I edit the transcript.